Our next story focuses on a weather update that's now coming in with regards to heavy rain that has been battering across the country, several regions across the country. From north to south, a monsoon has brought most parts of the country to its knees. In fact, flash floods triggered by cloud bursts have claimed 5 lives in Himachal Pradesh so far. According to officials, the hill state has in fact reported 3 cloud bursts, 9 flash floods and 3 landslides in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, search operations have been intensified to locate those missing, including workers who were stationed at a labour colony near the Indira Priyadarshini hydroelectric project site. It is in fact feared that several workers were swept away following a surge in water level in the Khaniara Manuni Khad. Now, Himachal Chief Minister Sukhwinder Sukhu, on the other hand, has directed all the deputy commissioners in the state to stay alert and ensure 24/7 accessibility to the public amid such dire situation and circumstances. Heavy downpour has also battered the state of Gujarat. Normal life has been completely disrupted in the southern Gujarat, including Navsari. Roads and homes have been submerged in flood waters. As you can see, the different parts of the country that we're bringing to you on your screens at this given point. Even the Tarkeshwar Mahadev temple in Navsari has been submerged due to relentless pours and raising the water levels in the Kaveri river at the same time.
A lot of people we could bring home safely, but unfortunately we lost 5 people in this incident so far. So 5 dead bodies have been recovered, and 4 of them have been identified. 2 of them are from the state of UP, 1 from JNK and 1 from Himachal.
The geographical situation is really tough, the way NDRF is working. So the way the terrain, it's been challenging. So how come it's been to tackle the situation?
It is of course a tough region to go, and the teams have to travel on foot almost 4 kilometers to reach the spot of the incidents. Plus the inclement weather is also not helping, and there was torrential rains in the evening last night, and then in today also we saw a heavy downpour.
कैंप में ये हुआ था कि वहाँ ऊपर से पानी आ रहा था, बहुत तेज आया था पानी। हम ऊपर जंगल को भाग गए थे।
अच्छा।
और तो मैं जो भागा था तो किसी को नहीं मिला, मैं जो नीचे रह गए वो रह गए नीचे ही।
अच्छा।
और हम 5 लोग थे, 5 लोग भाग गए और 13 लोग थे कैंप में। हम 13 लोग से जो रह गए वो बह गए।
देखिए, पिछले कल बारिश बहुत तेज हुई है और क्लाउड बस्ट हुए 3 जगह। फ्लैश फ्लड्स आया है कोई 9 जगह, और तकरीबन कुल्लू में जो नदी के किनारे थे 2 लोग वो मिसिंग है। और कांगड़ा के एक हमारे जो बड़ा पहाड़ है हिमालय का, उसके पास एक क्लाउड बस्ट हुआ जिससे 3 लोग के मृत मिले हैं और 5 लोग मिसिंग है। एक जंगल में उसकी पता लगा कि वो भी पहुंच चुके हैं। अभी देखिए 3, 2, 5 की डेथ की कंफर्मेशंस की सूचना है।